Hello, trading is closed on June the 3rd, 2019. I've had almost no time to look at the market today. I'm not certain I'll be able to make a video tomorrow, though I will try, and by next week, I hope to be back on my usual schedule. Well, we had mixed signals on Friday. Commonest thing is a gap and a quick move outside the day's range. Here's your gap, here's your quick move outside the range. Look for the pattern with the early low, which is what this is. MEJT said this rally was false, that we'd retrace, said that rally was false, this drop was false, but also, for the record, said this rally was false. We've already had all the retracements. Well, we continue to drop here. Tomorrow's market, I believe, will have the early high and the late low. Tends to be a negative day unless we gap up smartly and trade much higher in the first 1 to 2 hours. It isn't impossible, even though futures are down as I'm recording this, because after dropping all day, we couldn't hold on to any of the lows. So unless we gap and take these out promptly, we should see higher prices. Doesn't mean we have to close higher. And as I say, unless we're up smartly in the first 1 to 2 hours, the vast majority of the time we'll hit a low in the last hour of trading, or at least early Wednesday. So we're still in a downtrend, but this is 2 days straight. We just haven't been able to close under the low. And that does give some hope to the bulls, particularly if we can move up smartly in the first 1 to 2 hours, we could close positive. If not, I think the odds are against it. And that's today's call.